Zachy, pull her! Watch his face, don't sit on his head.
Break his glasses. Oh, I think I'm falling while I'm doing it.
Here, let me get his glasses.
I was pulling him around to you. Let me get off. This is not a good point. Oh.
Don't kick.
No, kick it.
People can see my underwear. Stop. Stop. Ow, it's tight around.
Get off her head.
Ow. It's tight around me. Stop.
He's looking.
He's trying to figure out how to get it off. He thinks it just comes undone.
Take your pants off.
Don't pull. Ow.
Zachy, throw her down. You're just going to get knocked down too.